I'm going to spit one last poem for y'all. I'm going to read this piece called The Mexican's Revenge, which is dedicated to all of the folks that have struggled, right, for us and our rights, and also our history and our culture and our identity. We use poetry as a weapon, and this is just one tool in our organizing and our ability to create social change. So with that, I'm going to read this piece. Hopefully you feel it. If you like what you hear, check it out in the back. I got the CD for sale. It's like $3, $5, whatever you want to give. It's all good, all right? So, y'all with me for one more poem? We good? We good? Yeah, give it up for yourselves. Give it up for yourselves. All right, here we go. Let me tell you a story of a people long ago that is passed from my ancestors, from theirs, and so on, and the echo of a whisper, a history managed to blow through. It hit my ear, opened my eyes, made my mouth speak, my nostrils flare, made me breathe so I could share with you tonight on this holy land that the Illinois, the Arawak, the Algonquin, the Blackfoot, the Cree, the Apache, the Cherokee, the Anasazi, the Potawatomi, the Navajo, the Hopi, the Shawnee, the Olmec, the Toltec, the Maya, the Zapotec, the Tarascan, the Mexica, we the Aztecs, all the peoples of Mexico, we the Mexicans were born, conceived by the earth, rain, wind, and fire of our origins. Long before gold, stolen land, paper, and labor, long before California, Colorado, New Mexico, Arizona, Texas, Nevada was stolen, long before the border was created and then was moved, long before railroads cut across ancient communal lands, before industrialization, before European nations bought, stole native soil. Long before bracero and day laborers, before mop, clean, clip, trim, cut, sweep, paint, wash. Long before go home, pick tomatoes. Go home, pick cucumbers. Go home, pick strawberries and oranges and grapes and squash. Go home, pick which child will go with you and which will stay, which will go hungry. The Tenochtitlan slipped through with the collective memory of our souls, its gardens, enormous marketplaces, its running fountains, its great ball courts, its spectacular temples all managed to whisper to us now and then. Tonantzin, goddess of the pagan natives, transformed into the Virgin, saint of our people. The Day of the Dead altars to our loved ones, for those who have passed into the afterworld.